Okay, so yeah, it's a couple of minutes after 1400 UTC, so I can make a start. So hopefully you can see my slides, and just me today. Just give it 1 second. I'm just going to shut my mic because I have some echo in the background. Okay, hopefully that's a bit better. Okay, so what we have today are updates in December, updates for 2023, including the annual report, which we've published today, and security reports covering all the different security aspects that we have covered throughout 2023. So in the December monthly report, you'll see that NPM is now available natively on the Polygon network. So that's one big piece of news. And we have managed to list on 5 new data aggregators, such as crypto.com and a number of others. Excuse me if I just pause for a couple of seconds. I've still got some quite strong echo on my mic. Susita, can you hear the really strong echo, or is it just myself? Susita? Okay, I will carry on. Excuse me if it is a little bit on pause and disrupted. I've got a really strong echo. Anyway, I shall continue. So anyway, 2023, as I mentioned in December, we have the NPM on Polygon. We've listed on a number of new data aggregators, and that is all and has all been reported in the December monthly report that has been issued. We also now have the 2023 annual report that has gone out, and we cover all of the progress that we made in 2023. And I think, firstly, I'd like to say a huge thanks to the team members of Neptune Mutual, who have worked tirelessly to deliver on our goals, to deliver reliable cover protection for on-chain assets that pay out fast. And more so than ever before, we have seen the need for means to mitigate smart contract vulnerabilities, as the 2023 security review shows. As we said many times before, auditing is not enough. You need to mitigate risk, and one of our latest reports on a recent exploit demonstrates that, with Radiant Finance having suffered an exploit that's detailed in our blog, our exploit analysis blog, very carefully. Radiant had been audited by quite a number of tier 1 auditors, and unfortunately that didn't prevent this most recent exploit. So the point here is that cover is important, and there is a huge need for scalable DeFi insurance solutions that pay out in a fast and reliable way. And we're here in 2023, moving into 2024 with a scalable solution. And so we feel the need is here, and we're in a good place to move forward and ensure that the crypto community is protected in the way that they ought to be. So thanks again once to the team. The 2023 market conditions have been tough, and it requires a particular type of resilience and persistence to keep believing in the Neptune Mutual goals. So much appreciated all the hard work and efforts of the team, and of course not forgetting our investors who have been patiently and continually supporting us, and of course also to you, our community, who take the time to listen in, message us, interact with us in all sorts of different ways, providing us feedback, giving us direction in the community forum that we've set up for you. So thanks for all of that. And of course, the reason that we have our town hall, our monthly reports, our annual reports, and all this reporting is because for us, we have made goals, we've made commitments to our investors, and it's important that we record on a regular basis our progress and that we're transparent about what's happening. So, yeah, follow the socials and you'll find the documents in our blog for the December and annual report and the security report, which, if it's not out yet, I don't think it is, but it'll be coming out in the next few days. So, next thing, trading volume, $25,000 per 24 hours. Hang on a second. That's the December number. So how are we doing now? Well, more recently, we're up at $140,000 of trading of NPM tokens on a 24-hour basis. So that is a huge progression from where we were just a few weeks ago. And more good news is that this now is being correctly reported not only in CoinMarketCap, but finally got it updated in CoinGecko as well. Obviously, you all know that CoinGecko is a reference for data aggregation. Many projects pull information directly from CoinGecko. And so it is excellent to have the correct trading volume now showing. And yeah, it took quite a lot of effort, but we are now there. And I guess one of the things I'm trying to say here, because we've been talking about trading volume over the last 3 months really, is that we are, and you can see a definite big progression from where we were just a few months ago. We did say we'd concentrate on it. We have done. We have got the information updated in different data aggregators, and we have seen a huge uptick in the interest in trading NPM. You might also want to have a look at our YouTube channel where we talk about the bridge and the fact that NPM is a really interesting way of transferring value across chains, across networks, I should say. So have a look at that. And what we are planning for 2024 is to carry that momentum across into our marketplace with a number of user acquisition campaigns. So you will have seen in December, we ran a user acquisition campaign promoted together with Arbitrum, and we are now pushing a 110% cashback on cover policy fees campaign across all the networks, so Ethereum, Arbitrum, and the Binance Smart Chain. So that's pretty exciting. The aim here is to get new users understanding and using the marketplace, getting users familiar with parametric cover. And so the cover creators have worked with us to provide this huge cashback policy fee promotion and to generate interest in the marketplace. So do please share this on your socials with other users because cover is valuable, protecting your assets is valuable, and here not only can you get it for free, but you can actually generate USDC because you get more cash back than the cost of the cover policy fee itself. You can see I've left the link here in the slide. So if you go to the community forum, community.neptunemutual.com, and then look at the announcement section, you will see all the details of this cashback offer. And there are and will be more user acquisition campaigns to follow. As always, we are looking at a number of different ways of promoting the activity in the marketplace, including the creation of new cover pools with new projects, accessing new communities. And one of the ways that we're doing that is working with partners. So we are now working with BlockSec to provide a security and cover bundle to projects. So that is a really interesting new development where we are working together with others in the sector to bring cover protection to the communities of projects. So if there are any projects for which you would like cover and that cover doesn't yet exist within our marketplace, do reach out to both to us in our Discord channel here, and of course also to that community or that project, and recommend that they reach out to us too, so that we can speak to them about creating a cover pool to protect their community. So this is just to demonstrate that we are working on a number of different fronts. 2024 for us is all about growth. So growth in the users of our marketplace, growth in the trading volume as we've seen, growth in the liquidity to the protocol. As utilization grows, we will be needing, the marketplace will be needing more liquidity in the cover pools, and of course more liquidity in the decentralized exchanges where there are USDC NPM pairs. So again, we have nearly, I think, $1.5 million worth of depth in the liquidity pools that we have on Sushi and on Uniswap across a variety of networks. And we're looking to see growth in those and reward LPs in different ways for providing liquidity pairs, that's to say USDC and NPM, into those pools. So 2024 is all about growth for us. We have lots of campaigns and projects from across so the variety of different areas, whether that's user acquisition, token growth opportunities, and of course growth in our liquidity. Lots of things to look forward to in 2024, hopefully as the market swings back into more kind of bull mode with a bit more activity and hopefully an upward trend in the DeFi sector with more assets and more need for Neptune Mutual and the mitigation and protection of those assets with parametric cover. So I think that pretty much covers it. I will just reach out and see if there are any questions in the channel. So let me just pause for a minute and check to see if there are any questions. You can, of course, reach out, and many of you do on Telegram, and we're obviously happy to answer specific questions there. So unless there's anything else, just give me one more minute to see if there's any more questions or any questions. Otherwise, that probably wraps it up. As I say, we're pretty excited. We have been working on a lot of growth projects in the last quarter of 2023. So do please follow our socials, because we have some pretty big announcements coming up very soon, which I can't reveal yet, but we will be revealing them soon. Lots of exciting projects to talk to you about as we move forward over the next few weeks and months. So do stay tuned, and we'll be happy to answer questions in the next town hall or before then on Telegram. I think that wraps it up for today. So thank you for joining, and look forward to speaking to you next time. And we're looking forward to growth in 2024. So we'll leave it there for today. Thanks very much. And yeah, chat to you all soon. Bye for now.